Alright folks, HeyGen, the AI video generation platform, just launched Video Agent. They're claiming it could replace your entire video production team. Actors, script, editing, everything. Big claim, right? Let's see if it's real. We're gonna test it with real business use cases, and I'm gonna be brutally honest with you about what works and what doesn't. Let's go. Quick context for those not familiar. HeyGen is a big player in AI video generation. They do AI avatars, digital twins, video translation. You just give them a script and they create a video with an AI spokesperson. Company use it for video marketing, UGCs, product training, translations, all that stuff. But Video Agent is different. HeyGen just acquired Elisa AI and built something new. Literally with a single prompt, you let Video Agent handle the entire production for you. Script writing, visuals, background music, editing, the whole production pipeline. Video Agent is currently in beta, and the great news is already live in all HeyGen plans, including the free plan, which allows you to create up to 3 videos for free per month with a maximum length of 3 minutes. Enough to play with it and test it. So we are going to put Video Agent through real business scenarios and see if it actually delivers. We are going to create 3 types of videos. First, UGC testimonial. Second, a product demo. And finally, an educational content video. Each of one usually costs thousands of dollars and takes many days to be produced. Here we are at the home screen of HeyGen after signing up. You will see the different features and functionalities of HeyGen, but in this video we will focus on Video Agent. It's here in the left menu. We click on it. Here we can enter our prompt to generate the video we need. We said for the first example it will be a UGC video testimonial. So we will make a short video ad about our website maxproductive.ai, which is a directory of the best AI tools across 8 categories: video, design, marketing, business, productivity, writing, all the most common use case of AI tools. We write our prompt here. We say, create a UGC testimonial for maxproductive.ai, young professional, 25 to 30 years old. Message, too many AI tools are hype. We create only the best with honest reviews. Show people working on computers. Include our logo. And with visit maxproductive.ai, the tone should be authentic and credible. Pretty straightforward and short prompt about an ad for our website. So for the assets here, you can add your brand logo and visual, your product visual. We choose from asset, and here is our logo. We add it, and then we click on the arrow, and that's it. Here we go. A few seconds later, Video Agent suggested for me a plan. This plan contains all the information about my video, the length, the music theme, the audience, the script plan, the target language, the avatar. Here's young professional male, aged 25 to 30, the voice, the B-roll, the caption. So you see here, it wants my confirmation that I'm okay with the different elements of the plan. And if I want to change or I don't agree with one of Video Agent suggestion, I can just, by chatting with it, ask it, for example, replace, I want a young female aged 25 to 30, for example. Here, I'm okay with the initial plan established by Video Agents, so I will say proceed. And now it's thinking again. As I said, it's a reasoning model. It says now, great, I'm now generating your video. This should only take a moment. And here we see the different step: understanding your vision, analyzing provided assets, reviewing reference materials, gathering additional information. So in case it doesn't have all the information, it will ask you. That's the beauty of Video Agent. It helps, it's like a project manager, and a project manager need to always have all the pieces to achieve the goal or accomplish the project. If a piece is missing, it will ask you, oh, I need this so I can proceed with the project. So 2 minutes later, it finished generating the video. So let's check what we got here.
Tired of all the AI hype? It's hard to know what's actually useful. That's where MaxProductive.ai comes in. They cut through the noise with honest reviews of only the best AI tools. Find game-changing solutions. Visit MaxProductive.ai today.
Okay, so that was not bad. First, the content is relevant. It's obvious that Video Agent understood what I want to achieve. All what the spokesperson said is 100% relevant. However, I found his pace of speaking a little bit slow. For this type of video, the pace should be much faster. Although the lip syncing was perfect with the audio, as you can see, but the pace of speaking is slow. So
tired of all the AI hype? It's hard to know what's actually useful. That's where MaxProductive.ai.
You see, his lip syncing is perfect with the audio. So the pace, maybe if I put here the playback speed to 1.25, it should be fine. Let's try it.
Tired of all the AI hype? It's hard to know what's actually useful. That's where MaxProductive.ai comes in. They cut through the noise with honest.
Okay, that's much better. Obviously, that's much better. Also, I noticed that it showed headphones video. That's footage of headphones, which is, I don't think, very relevant for this video. And I explicitly asked to show people's working on computers, and it didn't show that. Finally, the logo here was oversized for the screen. Obviously, that's an issue. The video is not usable, obviously. However, it's a solid base. You see, in 2 minutes, you got this to work with. Already, that's a very solid base to fine-tune and work with. So we can here, for example, tell it what to fix. So I said, you didn't show people with computers. The logo is oversized for the screen. Can you make it centered and fit the screen? Okay. Actually, there is 3 options to edit the video. Either here with Video Agent, by chatting with Video Agent, you can implement and ask it to implement the changes you need until you obtain a result you're happy with. The second option is to use HeyGen built-in editor. You click here on edit and you can edit every scene of your video, change the footage used in every scene. You can change also the avatar. This is allow a very efficient and simple edit. But if you need more professional changes, you can export the video and use your classic video editing tools like Adobe Premiere, or even AI-powered video editing tools like Descript and Gling AI. Now let's move to test number 2, product demo. So we will ask Video Agent to generate a video about a productivity app that blocks websites, distracting websites during working hour. So here I'm again at the Video Agent homepage. I will write my prompt here. I need a 15-second product demo for a productivity app. Show how it blocks distracting websites during work sessions. Include stat, 3x productivity boost, end with free trial offer, and use a professional tone. Here it's a little bit complex. I did that on purpose to test the limit of Video Agent. Here I will select 15 seconds, and for the orientation, I will use this orientation. 3 minutes later, it finished. So let's check the quality of the video generated.
Are you tired of constant digital distractions pulling you away from your important tasks? Our innovative productivity app is designed to help you reclaim your focus and boost your efficiency. Users report a remarkable 3 times productivity boost, transforming their work and study habits.
Okay, so that was the result of the second test. Let's evaluate first the content. The content was relevant, so it spoke about a productivity app. It mentioned the 3x boost of productivity. It showed some apps blocking distracting websites and like some dashboard here. So I would say, yeah, the content is relevant. Video Agent understood perfectly what's the goal. However, it did forget to mention the call to action, which is the free trial. It's missing here. I didn't see it. That's one point missing. That's for the content. Now let's speak about the audio. The audio, this time the pace is fast and perfect. However, the lip syncing is not good. And it's obvious this video is AI generated. Check again.
Are you tired of constant digital distractions pulling you away from your important tasks? Our innovative productivity app is designed to help you reclaim your focus.
Yes, the way he speaks is not natural at all. So yeah, let's say the quality of avatar went down in the second test. Overall, this video is less usable than the first one. However, to be fair, this prompt was more complex also because there was more details like websites, blocking. That's not one of the easiest prompts I gave it. I think this needs require much more editing, and I'm not happy with the avatar lip syncing. But again, you can edit and regenerate until you find a satisfying result. Now let's move to the final test, educational content video. We will ask it to generate a video about a tutorial, a ChatGPT tutorial. So I'll write my prompt here. I need a tutorial, 3 ChatGPT prompts for marketeers, cover, customers, persona, and add copy, SEO keywords, show examples, 30 seconds max, practical tone. This is obviously even more complex than the second prompt, but we were trying to test the limit of Video Agent. Let's start. Okay, a few minutes later, it finished generating. Let's check the result.
Unlock AI marketing with ChatGPT prompts. First, create customer personas. Prompt: generate a persona for product/service, target audience. Include demographics, pain points, goals. Next, generate ad copy. Try, write ad copy for product/service, focus on benefit. Finally, discover SEO keywords. Input: provide SEO keywords for product/service that audience would use. Integrate prompts to boost marketing.
Okay, so that was the video generated. First feedback regarding the content is relevant. It did really generate examples of prompts. The spokesperson, really all what he said was relevant. For the content, I'm really impressed about the content because this was difficult prompt for a video agent to think about examples, generate them, and include them smoothly in the video. Now let's speak about the audio. The lip syncing was almost perfect, but in few seconds, it was obvious it was lagging. Also, when he was presenting the example, it was obvious it's AI generated. It was not fluid and smooth when he transitioned between the example and even like each item of example, like you feel the sentence, they were not natural. Yeah, overall, I'm really impressed because it did better than I expected for this kind of complex prompt. However, yeah, obviously this is not ready to use and require further editing, but it did much better than in the second test in the product demo. I'm really impressed for this to be generated one shot. So again, this needs to be fine-tuned and edited with either here with the Video Agent, chatting with Video Agent, or using the built-in editor, or export it and use your favorite video editor. Here's the bottom line. Video Agent was able to generate 3 videos from a single prompt each time. The content was relevant to what I was expecting, and it's obvious that Video Agent understood perfectly the context of the video. However, there was some imperfection. It missed, for example, in the first video, footage of people's on computer. I explicitly asked in the prompt. In the second video, again, it forget the call to action for free trial. And again, I explicitly mentioned that in the prompt. So it's not perfect. Now, regarding the voice and the speech of the AI avatar, also it was very relevant. It was less fluid and smooth in the third video. And regarding the audio quality, the lip syncing was almost perfect in the first and the third video. However, the first video, the pace was not perfect and the quality dropped dramatically in the second video. I would say the audio and the lip syncing was inconsistent. Overall, it's obvious that these videos are not ready to use and require further editing. However, to be fair to Video Agent and HeyGen, it's still in beta, so HeyGen is still gathering early feedbacks. Also, you cannot build a video from just one prompt. This is almost impossible, but we did use this methodology to test the limit, because if you get really good result from just the first prompt, it gives you an idea how much editing and how much time you will spend on a video. It's obvious here that Video Agent is smart enough to understand what you're trying to build. And from there, you need to work with it and chat with it and fine tune and iterate until you get the video you're aiming for. The good news is that HeyGen has a free plan that allows you to generate up to 3 videos per month with a maximum length of 3 minutes each. So you don't need a credit card to sign up and try and play with it. If you're more serious about video marketing, you need to sign up for a paying plan. Quick reminder before you go, please check our website maxproductive.ai, where you will find curated lists of the best AI tools for productivity, design, coding, business, marketing. We test everything and write independent reviews so you don't waste your time on garbage. If you find this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more real AI video reviews. Until next time, stay productive.